G'day guys, Burn Dog here from Burn Dog's Garage. Today we're going to have a look at whether or not the keys work in our Mark 1 Rover P5 Matron. I'm Burn Dog from Burn Dog's Garage. G'day guys, so special request here from Belinda. She wanted to see whether or not the keys work. We know they work in the ignition now, but whether the door's locked. She's a little bit worried that someone's going to break into the shed and steal Matron. I know she absolutely loves the car, but the fact that we don't know whether or not it runs and there's no wheels on it sort of says to me we're a little bit safe for now. But I had been trying around and spraying some spray into the fuel filler here. I'm just trying to get this to work, and it's like the key's not connected to anything. There is no movement there at all. I've even tried getting a bit of wire in to try to pull the tab along to open it up. No luck there. I can get to the nuts underneath that hold it in there, and my goal, what I'm thinking, is to undo those, disconnect the hoses, and actually take it into a locksmith and seeing if they can do anything there for us. I can't imagine trying to get a replacement one of these for a Mark 1 Rover will be too easy. So fingers crossed that that will work for us there. If not, back to the drawing board and off to plan B, C or D. So we know the keys won't work there. We'll head down, we'll try them in the door. Now, I can't say I've actually tried these here yet, just Belinda suggested it when I said I wanted to do there. No. Stiff going in and out, and doesn't want to turn. The door does open and close. We'll try the, where's the lever? There we go. So it does lock and unlock. So I'll get some spray in there and see if we can get that loosened up. That's the least of my worries at the moment. But yes, Belinda, we can lock it. We just can't unlock it yet. We'll try the driver's door. So yeah, let's give this a try here. Get it around the right way. So that moves there. So yes, we can lock it with the key on the driver's door. And we can unlock it. So we can secure the car and we can get back into it after. Doesn't surprise me if one of the doors work that it would be the driver's door. It's the one that gets used the most. So the only other place we haven't tried yet, the boot. We know currently it does open. Key went in for key spins and locked. And unlocked. So 50-50 success rate. We know we can get in and out of the driver's door, and we can get into our picnic basket in the boot. So we're pretty safe there. We just can't put fuel in and can't unlock the door from the passenger door. But one last thing, this is the key ring that actually came with the car. So can you see that there, Belinda?
Oh,
yeah.
I can see that clearly. Don't worry about that.
But I know what Belinda's like on locks, so definitely the best man for the job is not a woman on this case, or not Belinda anyway. She always struggles, but we're 50% of the way there, so I wish I could say that with the whole project, but these things take time. Cheers, guys.